सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल सेलिब्रिटी को और देखें नीट एंट्रांस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बायोलॉजी के वन लाइनर्स क्वेश्चन का सेट नंबर 31 फ्रेंड्स। तो पूर्व की तरह इस वीडियो में पुनः हम प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स और उससे स्रावित होने वाले केमिकल मैसेंजर अर्थात हार्मोन्स के बारे में। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टू एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स लोकेटेड इन द रीजन ऑफ द ब्रेन आर। Two endocrine glands located in the region of the brain are pituitary and pineal gland. Next, which is the smallest endocrine gland in the human body? It is the pineal gland, which is the smallest endocrine gland in the body. Next, which is the largest endocrine gland in the human body? It is the thyroid gland, which is known as the largest endocrine gland in the human body. It is situated in the neck region. Next, which is the mixed gland in the human body? It is the pancreas, which is the mixed gland in the human body. It is made up of two exo and endocrine parts. Next, which gland has both an endocrine and exocrine function? It is the pancreas, which has both an endocrine and an exocrine function. And as endocrine gland, it secretes the important hormone insulin. Next, which gland controls the functioning of the other endocrine gland? It is the pituitary gland, which controls the functioning of the other endocrine glands. Next, which endocrine gland is also known as the master gland? This is the pituitary gland, which is also known as the master gland. Next, which gland is the butterfly-shaped gland and is located in the base of the thorax? It is the thyroid gland, which is butter-shaped and largest endocrine gland, which is located in the base of the thorax. Next, which gland is located on the top of each kidney? It is the adrenal gland. Next, FSH is produced by FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, is produced by the anterior pituitary gland. Next, what is the function of the FSH in males? It regulates spermatogenesis, that is formation of sperm in the testes. Next, genetism and acromegaly are due to hyperpituitarism and due to the overfunction or oversecretion of the growth hormone. Genetism and acromegaly are caused. Next, in humans, increased thyroxine production results in increased metabolism. Next, which hormone is released from the testes? This is the testosterone, which is the male hormone and released from the testes or the male gonad. Next, which hormone is called the stress hormone? It is the cortisol. Next, which hormone is also known as pregnancy hormone? This is the progesterone, which is secreted from the ovary or female gonad. It is the female hormone. Next, which hormone maintains the pregnancy and is involved in the female sexual characteristic development? This is the progesterone, secreted from the ovary. Next, which hormone controls the amount of the glucose in the bloodstream at any given moment? This is the insulin. Next, which hormone responds against stress and also stimulates the formation of RBC? This is the cortisol. Next, which hormone stimulates the production of the milk and also develops the mammary gland? This is the prolactin. Next, which hormone plays an important role in the regulation of 24-hour rhythms of the sleep-wake cycle? This is the melatonin hormone from the pineal gland. Next, which hormone influences the pigmentation of the skin? This is the melanocyte stimulating hormone or MSH secreted from the anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Next, which hormone stimulates the uterine contraction during the childbirth and milk ejection during the breastfeeding? It is the oxytocin secreted from the posterior lobe of neurohypophysis of the pituitary gland. Next, which hormone regulates the water balance in the body by controlling the amount of the water reabsorbed by the kidney? This is the vasopressin or ADH antidiuretic hormone also secreted from the neurohypophysis of the pituitary gland. Next, which hormone helps regulate calcium levels in the blood? This is the calcitonin. Next, which hormone increases the rate of heartbeat and promotes the cardiac output, thus increasing the blood pressure? It is the adrenaline. Next, which hormone is administered to a person suffering from the marked fall in the blood pressure? It is the adrenaline. Next, blood pressure may be referred to as the pressure exerted by the blood on the arteries and veins. Next, blood pressure in human body is controlled by adrenal gland. And the last question of this video, which anterior pituitary hormones stimulate the adrenal cortex to secrete cortisol? It is the adrenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH from the adrenohypophysis or anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. So I'm going to conclude the video. Thanks for watching. Have you a good